Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we're using power tools and diamonds.
We want to thank the Home Depot for the tools that we're using in today's video.
One of our favorite things about working with the Home Depot this year is some of the tools we get sent are things that we may not have tried out otherwise, and today's tools are no exception. One of those is the diamond cup wheel, and when we first got it, we looked at it and we thought, ooh, this is pretty, but what do we do with it? So we looked into it and we found out, we were like, wow, we have a use for this.
Well, back at my house, I realized that my front sidewalk was a little bit uneven in one place, which, as you know, creates a tripping hazard. So I thought, let's try the grinding wheel on that and see if we can level that out.
Before we took the angle grinder to Mom's sidewalk, we wanted to practice. We cured a bag of concrete, plugged the angle grinder into our dust collector, and tried it out. Right off the bat, it was way easier to control than I thought. It did kick up some dust, but that's only because it's designed to be used on a flat surface, not a small concrete block. Here you can see the rough texture of before and the smooth of after. Mom even had a go at it, and she was able to control it well. With our test complete, we took our tools to Mom's house to work on our sidewalk. Before using our grinding wheel, we're going to use our small angle grinder with Diablo diamond cut wheel. We could probably use the grinder for all of this, but by cutting away some of the bigger pieces, it's going to save us some time in the end. So you can see here that the Diablo diamond wheel really cut through the rocks and helped us shave down the edges. When working with concrete, you need to make sure to protect your lungs, your eyes, and use a wet dry vac to collect any dust whenever possible. Next, we plugged our Makita 7-inch angle grinder into our wet dry vac and set it to auto so that when we turn on our tool, the vacuum will turn on too. And we started grinding away at the concrete. You can start to see the rocks in the concrete being exposed. The front part of the dust collector attachment can actually be removed, and it would have made this a little bit easier had I thought about it. You can see when working on a flat surface, there's virtually no dust with the dust collection connected. To finish off, we cleaned the concrete dust away and admired our work. What we learned. When I walk around my neighborhood now, between some of the concrete slabs, I've noticed that the concrete's actually been ground down, and I know how they did that. So it's pretty exciting when I walk around. I now take pictures and look, ooh, that one's better than the other. Yeah, it's nerdy, I know, I don't need comments.
Well, this is a tool not everyone's going to want to invest in, but if you have a lot of concrete that needs to be ground down, this may be something you want to invest in.
All the tools you use today are going to be linked below, but I want you to know that we used the diamond cup wheel, and that was connected to an 7-inch angle grinder, and that had a dust collector attachment on it, and that was all connected to our wet dry vac to help eliminate some of the dust that comes from the concrete. So if you like this project and want to see more from us, make sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. That the concrete has been ground down, and I said it right. It's like coffee.
You did, but you're laughing.
You laughed first.
Anticipation of you messing it up.
Oh my god. I laughed in anticipation of you messing up.
Okay.